Good morning, guys! Yeah, boy! We have a new rider!
Good morning. Here we go. Alright.
We have a new recruit!
What's up, man? Hey, we're slow. That's alright, me too.
Sino na dyan? Sino?
Si Chinchansu.
Bakit Chinchansu?
Ayan na.
Ako na yung Chinchansu ang wako.
Chinchansu?
Ang layo nung
Bakit? Ano yun? Bakit? Bakit Chinchansu? Bakit Chinchansu? Chinchansu? Chinchansu?
Foundation Day. Foundation Day.
Ano?
Foundation Day.
Ano? Ayun ang mga boys, oh. The boys.
Ito na.
Lakas to, oh. Kapagod-pagod eh. Hindi na pagod.
Pagod na.
Nag-drive.
Early this morning, woke up holding my head, hearing my heartbeat all night long. Shades of this motel keeping me in bed, reading the news, just trying to stay strong. I need to just get up, take a deep breath, keep it together, 'cause it's a beautiful day. Sun on my face, feeling okay. Don't let it get away, it's a beautiful day. Feel so proud, screaming out loud. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I used to feel sad, now I'm satisfied. I'd fall to pieces, now it's peace of mind. The words of my mother speak the truth. Show us that, son, you'll make it through. I need to just get up, take a deep breath, keep it together, 'cause it's a beautiful day. Sun on my face, feeling okay. Don't let it get away, it's a beautiful day. Feel so proud, screaming out loud. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I won't ever let it go. I won't let it get away. I won't ever let it go. I won't ever let it go. I won't let it get away. I won't ever let it go. It's a beautiful day. Sun on my face, feeling okay. Don't let it get away. It's a beautiful day. Feel so proud, screaming out loud. It's a beautiful day. Sun on my face, feeling okay. Don't let it get away. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Feel so proud, screaming out loud. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. It's a beautiful day.
Hindi, oh. Ha? Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Bike up. Bike up.
Morning. There you go. The e-bikers. Woo. Bye.
I like e-bike. Sometimes I have a lot.
Okay, can we switch bike?
E-bike.
Can I ride your bike?
I don't want to take advantage of you.
Ayan sila guys. Ayan na yung mga nagtitraining quadruple century. You know. Lakas. Century. Ito pa oh. The striker is back!
Ayos. Andiyan ka pala.
Saan natin si Mr. Striker dito sa Maisonol, ayun oh. Nag-strike na naman. Tindi oh. Ayun oh. Grabe, nawala. Binahatak ni Striker, ayun, tapos champion. At ayun na nga, si Chang Chan Chung. Ching Chung Chung. Ay,
Kotse.
Chung Chung Chung. At yun na nga guys, si Bumblebee oh. Ayan guys, sama natin si Purple Yam Ube.
Papalitan tayo ng ube.
Oo nga. Lakas oh.
Ayan na, original Ching Chang Su.
Hindi na ako si Ching Chang Su, nandiyan na sa likod, si Redford White.
Ching Chang.
Ayan na, ayun oh.
Bigyan mo. Oy. Ano to? Pwede pa yan.
Ayan na guys.
Chu lang? Yeah, chu lang. Every ano to? 3 hour? Hindi, kapag nasa nga si Tom. Basta chu.
Ayun oh. Oh,
Ayun si Ching Chang Su, ayun.
Chung Chang dito.
Dito.
Lumagpas.
Sarap ah.
Ayan yung kapatid mo si Redford.
Teke.
Oh guys, eto susubaybayan natin ang Salt and Light sa first quadruple century nila guys. Ayun. Wow.
Ching Chang Chu.
Si, sino yun?
Ching Chang Chu. Ayan pa.
Oh, gagaya to. Oh, paano? Oh, hey. Liham. Oh, wow, magabang pa tayo ng titira ng klaseng yan.
Pwede na ako malayo.
Oo.
Ha? Hindi ka nag-minor dun.
May hukay dun eh.
Sige, ingat yun.
Bibilis niya eh.
Sino ito?
Ha?
Yung dalawang Asian.
Tatakot.
Di ba nandun?
Sino?
Dalawang Asian.
Oh.
200 sila.
200 meter?
Ayun daw. Ano?
Tinanggal ko yung bus ko. Okay. That's mine. Good for that camera.
Ilan pa tayo?
8. Siyam na.
Siyam na. Hindi, gano'n pa tayo kalayo. Ano yan?
Jump.
Bye. There you go. Guys, nakita natin live na live si Mr. Redford White. Ayun. Lakas, umakyat ng wall.
Ching Chang Chu.
At eto na nga, ipakilala na natin ang mga quadruple century natin.
Nagmula kay Carbon
From
Helmet Hood.
the Lightning, Mr. Striker.
Ay, natakot na kayo. Strike pangalan pala.
Guys, from Baliwag, Bulacan, Mr. TikToker. From Angeles City, Robin Hood. Ayan ha.
TikTok tayo mamaya. Panis lahat.
From South San Jose, Boss Bike. From the Gilroy Pampers,
Oh yeah, baby!
Bobby Joe.
Gilroy
At syempre,
Gardner!
from Fremont, Redford White.
At nagpakita ang ating photographer, Ching Chang Chu. Ha?
Wala ako na
Wala, mabilisan eh. Mabilisan eh.
Ano sasabihin? Ano yun? Pakita mo yung ano? Ano yun?
Pakilala mo kung sino.
Ano yun?
Pakita mo kung sino ka.
Pakita mo kung sino ka.
At yan na nga guys, ang Rafa Japan.
Ching Chang Chu.
Mr. Boss Bike. At ayan na nga ang mga
Si Striker, the 2H.
si Mr. Striker bigla na lang titirada eh. Kinakausap ko, wala na pala akong kinakausap. Biglang ano eh. Oh.
Parang ano yan? Parang yung ram, biglang. Parang yung ano.
Sabi ko yung kabalan ko, bigla na lang akong iiwanan sa air eh. 1, 2,
Ching Chang Chu.
yun. At ayan na nga guys.
Hello!
Labot na natin.
Sorry guys, late.
We just got here.
Hey, how are you doing, man?
Have you met him? That's good.
Seven.
He's our videographer.
Man, this is the wow,
Videographer.
the Rec Madone. The Globe, guys, is back.
No, this is where we get down, San Jose. That's where we.
The Globe is back in town, guys.
Yeah, Lupita, right here, Lito. Yeah, and then we can refill.
And
I just got here.
from Legion 1, Legion 2, Legion 3, guys, the Globe is back right here in town. Okay, guys, roll. Century training for Hawaii. These guys, super strong, headed by Legion 1, Legion 2, Legion 3, NCR. May nawawala guys, ayun oh. Si Alice Guo guys, nawawala. Kala niya nasa ano na siya, Pogo guys, ayun oh. Mr. Striker. Yan na naman oh. I-strike na naman tayo niyan. Ayun na. Talagang walang patawad to. The Striker. Group C oh, Group C. Right there. Mr. Silva.
Tawagan mo ako yung Seri kung hindi pala tayo.
The Salt Master.
Oh.
Lakas oh. Salt Master oh. Okay, good morning guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Milpitas. Magre-refill tayo kay Master Takat. Nabusan tayo ng tubig. Yan, kasama na si The Globe guys. Gary V. Kasama na si Gary V. Mr. Gary V in town. AKA The Blur.
Ang bilis mag-react ng ano mo, no?
Pagkat lang eh. Alin.
Pinakain na eh.
Wala naman.
Guys, oh, The Beatles, oh. Yan, oh, cross the street, oh. Ayan, oh, crossing the street, oh. Ayan, jaywalking, oh. Jaywalking na naman si Ka Redford. Redford, ay! Guys, nakita natin si Redford, pakalat-kalat. Ayan, oh.
Redford Black.
At ito na nga, si Gary V. Sylvan and the Master. Let's go.
Happy birthday.
Birthday na na guys! Woohoo! Lapit na, bare months na guys! Hoy! Hey, Jose Marichan, bare months na, hoy! Baka, ano na si birthday mo, yo? September na guys! Ayun na si... Hoy, Jose Marichan, tatakas ka na naman, ha? Ayan na, oh! Bare months na guys, tatakas na si Joe Marichan! Ayun, oh!
Ayun o. It's Christmas.
Bare months na guys! Ayun na si Jose Marie! Yun na. Side, Shera.
Sabi ko sa'yo, anong kainin? Sa'yo, anong burger?
Okay.
Alright,
What's up, man?
first 100 in about a year.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's why you're so strong. We got Silvan here, the fastest rider in town right now, guys, out there.
Well, for the first time, doing my first
Yep. The Striker and the Thunder. Century ride. Right there.
Right.
Yes, sir. Sarap pagbalik. Welcome back. Balikan na, mga riders. At eto na nga, bukas na ang taqueria. So, nandito na sila. At ayun na nga, guys, ang mga dito ang ating sag. Nandiyan na, guys. Yan ang ating service today, guys. At ayun na nga, guys, nalaman na natin ang sikreto ni Striker. Nagre-recycle lang pala sa kanyang system at nahuli na natin. Ayan. Medyo bula-bula pa. Mainit-init. Huwag niyong gagayahin yan, guys, ha. Siya lang ang gumagawa niyan.
Hindi kasi calcium na to eh.
Yun. Matindi pala to si Striker. Calcium pala yun.
Cycle mo yung ihi mo. Ano? Ben, pakiabot nga yung tissue doon sa likod.
Tissue. Trek. Mga Trek boys, oh. Trek boys.
The Trek Madone Bowl.
Trek 1 and Trek 2. Lulupit niya, no? Trek na the Madone Boys. Itong may-ari niyang Madone, guys.
I cannot keep up with the Trek Bowl.
Si Chung Chang.
Chuk-chuk series.
at si Paring Gary. Paring Gary, guys, ba tayo dyan?
Tongkantang-tong.
Tongkon-tang-tong parang Hichong-Echang. Guys, ayan.
Si Tongkantang.
Nawala na yung kanyang ano, guys.
Wala na.
Pinunasan, nahiya.
Dahil pa sa side eh. Dahil pa sa side.
Ayan na nga. Ang mga Hawaii Century training, guys, ayan. Nagre-ready na sila.
42 miles, fresh na fresh pa.
A few moments later, wala pa yung order. Wala pa yung order niya.
Donut coma.
Maaga yatang gumising to, 3 o'clock, excited.
Calaveras, salita na Calaveras.
Sir Bobby. Sir Bobby, ano may baong ka yata?
May burrito yan.
Ayun, may embutido si Sir Bobby.
Ito.
Ano naman pala malakas eh.
Sikreto.
Sikreto ng mga gwapo.
Bigyan mo ako nun.
Ayan na.
Bigyan mo ako dito. Ay, anong kamay? Ikaw na.
Okay guys, go na. Tapos na mag-load. Carb load. Gising na. Tanghali na.
Carbs overload.
Carbs overloady. Let's go. Ayan na guys. Training na sila for Century Hawaii.
We're gonna do the
Yun, no? Honor, Sir Bobby.
sir. Represent. tray. What the Hamilton?
Hamilton na.
The perfect pace.
That's good, huh?
Yeah.
Ingat. Brad, mingat na.
Okay.
Exit na ako. Sige. Tap. Okay. See you, yeah.
Okay.
Ingat ha. Mamaya, okay.
Almost there, guys. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. You
Wala pala, nagdala rin ako eh.
Ano yan?
Yung shabu.
Shabu. Wow.
Yung mga bike ko.
Vamos! Lakas nito. Lakas. Lupit oh, nagubad. Nagubad na oh. Nagubad na. Ha? Ay, bridge. Hawaii na pala kami oh, nasa Hawaii oh. Hawaii. Nasa Hawaii kami oh. Hawaii oh. Ang dumi ng tubig sa Hawaii, madumi. Nasa Hawaii na tayo, Hawaii oh. Hawaii. Union City. Hello. 8 miles to go. 8 miles to go, guys. Sa Union City na. Okay. Striker, ano masasabi mo sa ating 100?
Ayos lang.
Lakas.
Ayos lang.
Lakas ng mga to.
Training lang.
Para sa Hawaii. Eto, Ching Chang Show, ano masasabi mo sa 100? Ching Chang. Lakas. Ito ba, lakas?
Angry.
Oh, galit pa. Galit eh.
Kulang pa.
Galit eh.
Kulang pa yun.
Galit. Galit tong mga to, galit. Alin, tubig mo. Pakita mo. Pakita mo. Asa akin? Interview, ano masasabi? Matatapos na eh. Ano masasabi? Lakas dito, ito, lakas. Lakas. Almost there. Almost there. Pakita mo kung sino ka, Ching Chang Su.
Bumili na kayo kasing 1 liter na bote.
Ano, hindi nga malitim tubig, lalaking tubig binibili.
Si Idol.
Lalakas ng mga to, mga Ching Chang Su.
Iwanin ko na itong Magnum. 1 liter.
Mga Ching Chang Su, Ching Chang Su. Eh, lakas oh, lakas ng nakatrek na pula, eh, ano.
Ayun o.
Sige, sige, tutunggayin ko lang. Kapag ubusin niya, eh. Ching Chang Su.
Pagod na tayo eh.
Carrying heavy load.
Kuha ka to.
Sayaw mo.
Oo, patay na. Baka mapanood ni Sacramento yan. Left side, left side. Thank you. Left side, left side. Congratulations, Century Riders! Century Riders! Century Riders, congrats! Woohoo! Century Riders! Gusto niyo makita si Goku? O Goku o Goku? Congratulations guys! Make it 100. 100. Oh.
Sino yun?
Oh, yan oh.
Tindi.
Ayan oh. Walang wala sa kanya yung 100 miles. Yung Century Ride.
Tindi oh. Strikers back.
103 miles.
Hindi nga, ayaw nga namin 100. Gusto namin 200.
Iba rin pusat namin sa army eh.
If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Lord, I'm one, Lord, I'm two, Lord, I'm three, Lord, I'm four, Lord, I'm 500 miles away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home. Lord, I'm 500 miles away from home. Not a shirt on my back, not a penny to my name. Lord, I can go back home this away, this away, this away, this away, this away. Lord, I can go back home this away. If you